In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer list in QuickBooks. Creating a customer list is an essential task for managing your business finances efficiently, and QuickBooks Online makes it easy to import all your customer data in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, head over to QuickBooks Online and click on Sign In. Choose the option for QuickBooks Online and then enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be ready to configure your settings and begin importing your customer data. Next, let's navigate to the settings. To do this, click on the gear icon usually located in the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. It's easy to miss, so take your time to locate it if you're not familiar with the interface just yet. Once you're in settings, you'll want to click on the import data option. This is where we'll be handling your customer information. After you click on import data, you'll see various record types to choose from. Here we're focusing on customers, so make sure to select customers from the list. This is an important step to ensure that QuickBooks knows exactly what type of data you plan to import. Now that we've selected our record type, the next step is to click on the import button. This action will prompt you to upload your file, so ensure you have your customer data saved in a CSV format on your computer. Once your file is ready, browse for it on your computer just like you would when uploading a file to an email or another application. Selecting your CSV file will prompt the system to map out your data fields. Mapping is crucial because it aligns the information in your file with the fields in your QuickBooks account. For instance, you'll want to ensure that data such as customer names, phone numbers, and addresses match the appropriate fields. QuickBooks makes suggestions for how to map your fields, but take the time to review these suggestions and make adjustments if needed. This step helps you avoid data inconsistencies and ensures that your customer list remains accurate. Once you have successfully mapped your data fields, it's time to finalize the process by clicking on Import. This action migrates your customer information from the CSV file into QuickBooks, integrating it with your existing business data. The import process usually takes a few moments, so be patient as QuickBooks processes your information. And there you have it, your customer list is now set up in QuickBooks Online, ready for you to use as you manage your business. If at any point you need to adjust the information, QuickBooks makes it easy to edit customer details directly within the platform. Happy number crunching, and remember that staying organized with your customer data can help streamline your financial operations significantly. Thanks for joining me today, and see you in the next video.